There's nothing more frustrating than realizing the person you care about has started losing interest. But what exactly causes that shift? And is there any way to get her back? Relationships aren't always smooth sailing, and sometimes things can go off track without us even noticing. In this video, we'll break down the possible reasons why she lost interest, and more importantly, how you can rebuild that connection and win her heart again. Let's dive into it. Reason number one, lack of emotional connection. The first reason she may have lost interest is a lack of emotional connection. At the beginning of a relationship, everything feels fresh and exciting, but over time, if you don't continue to nurture that emotional bond, things can start to fade. She may feel disconnected, like you're no longer on the same wavelength, or that she's not getting the emotional support she needs. To get her back, you need to reconnect on a deeper level. Start by listening more intently to her thoughts, feelings, and needs. Share your own emotions with her as well, so she feels understood. Communication is key here. Make her feel seen, heard, and valued. Reason number two, she feels taken for granted. Another reason she may have lost interest is that she feels taken for granted. In long-term relationships, it's easy to start slipping into routines and forgetting to show appreciation for your partner. Maybe she feels like you're no longer putting in the effort, or that you're not showing gratitude for the little things she does. To turn this around, you need to show her that you value her. Compliment her, express your appreciation, and surprise her with gestures that show you care. Even the small acts of kindness and thoughtfulness can go a long way in reigniting that spark. Reason number three, boredom or routine. Another big factor that can cause her to lose interest is boredom or falling into a routine. Relationships need excitement and new experiences to thrive. If things have gotten too predictable, she might have started feeling unfulfilled. To reignite her interest, you need to break out of the routine. Plan new activities together, something fun, adventurous, or even something simple but out of the ordinary. Think of creative date nights or spontaneous outings that will remind her of the excitement and fun you once had. Reintroduce that sense of adventure to your relationship. Reason number four, lack of physical intimacy. Physical intimacy is a huge part of any romantic relationship. If there's been a decline in physical affection, it can make her feel less connected to you. Physical touch, whether it's holding hands, hugging, or being intimate, plays an important role in maintaining attraction and closeness. To get her back, don't just focus on physical intimacy. It's about reconnecting with her on a deeper level first. Start with small gestures, like holding hands or giving her a genuine, affectionate hug. Let her know that you still desire her in ways that make her feel emotionally and physically valued. Reason number five, she's just not feeling understood or supported. If she feels like you're not understanding or supporting her, it's no wonder her interest has waned. A lack of emotional support or not being there for her during tough times can cause her to feel isolated in the relationship. To get her back, you need to show up for her. Be there when she needs you, whether it's for support, validation, or just a listening ear. Make her feel like she's your priority. Relationships thrive when both people feel supported and understood. How to get her back? Show, don't just tell. So how do you actually get her back? The key is to take action, not just make empty promises. Talk to her, apologize if needed, and make her feel valued again. However, it's not just about saying the right words. It's about showing her that you've changed and that you're committed to putting in the effort. Give her space if she needs it, but also take the initiative to rekindle that emotional and physical connection. Focus on quality time, being present, and really listening to her needs. Show her that you're willing to invest in the relationship and that you're not just in it for the good times, but for the long haul. If she's lost interest, it doesn't mean the relationship is over. It's an opportunity for growth, change, and reconnection. It's about understanding why the connection faded and then putting in the effort to rebuild it. So communicate openly, show appreciation, reignite the fun, and make her feel valued. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more relationship advice. Leave a comment down below. What do you think has caused someone to lose interest in your past relationships? Let's talk about it. Until next time, remember, A strong relationship is built on effort, respect, and love.